Welcome to Solution 1. Now, today we will learn about purchase order. As we have checked purchase requisition, purchase quotation comparison. Whatever we have done the quotation comparison and whatever the vendor who has given the best rate to us according to a purchase quotation comparison, we will finalize to put the place or purchase order to that vendor. So for that we need to go with in a purchase module business process purchase order. Now, purchase order, we have a again new, edit, cancel, search, right? So we have to place a purchase order. So click on new. So it is we have a purchase order material F1. We have a different purchase order category. Likewise, capital purchase order, material purchase order, service purchase order. Now, here, as we have seen that there are three types of purchase order. Now, suppose we have to add one another purchase order series, right? So for that, we need to go with in business process document master. In we will search purchase order. So system will here you can define series definition. So, okay. Now, MPO, material purchase order, means every time when you are going to book a new purchase order, system will take automatically this series material purchase order. Suppose you want to add any other series, then place insert, okay, and you have to choose according to your code and name. So by this way you can able to add new purchase order series. Same way you can give user authorization rights to that purchase order for in document master. So we will add purchase order. So here we will select material purchase order. Now here, what is the difference between capital purchase order, service purchase order, material purchase order? So whenever we are going to place any capital purchasing, it should be capital purchase order. When we are going to buy a new service, it is service purchase order. And when we are going to buy any new material, it is material purchase order. Enter whether we are entering for which unit. Okay, according to that we have to select its unit. Now my PO type, that is purchase order type, whether it is regular, service purchase order, capital purchase order and inter-unit purchase order. These all the four heads already discussed. Okay. Now click on enter. Now here press F1. So vendor. So to whom means to which vendor we have to place a purchase order, right? So according to that we will select purchase order. Now I have decided to place the order to that specific vendor purchase Aarti suppliers. Now, who will be the contact person in that purchase order, reference quotation number, if you want to select, then you can select it, right? So your quotation number was 62, which was approved. Okay. Now quotation date, system will auto fetch this data. Okay. Now we have to enter quotation date. So for that we need to search which quotation date was given. So quotation date was 10th of July. Now here for purchase order, once we enter your purchase order series, unit, PO type, its vendor, its buyer. Now we have to mention purchase requisition. So we once we click F1, my purchase requisition number 1 will be loaded. Once I loaded, it will automatically loaded the PR item which we have required, right? So based on purchase requisition, we have to make purchase order. Now again, we have a total number of these items in purchase order. So it does not mean that we need, sometimes it happens in the manufacturing industry that at the time of purchase requisition you will judge that this item I will need it, but after some, after somewhere at any stage you find it, no, now this item will not need it, or this one extra needed. So we can also add items at PO level, purchase order level. Now click on PO item details. Okay. So now here system will do copy to PO item details. Now, as we can see, we have to select vendor, now buyer, now contact person. Now, on what basis we purchase, what basis means on which PR, purchase requisition basis, we are making purchase order. So, we have to select that PR number. So, we have to click here, select PR number 1. Once we enter, system will auto load the PR purchase requisition items. Okay. Now we here PO item details means now we have to, copy to PO item detail. So once we copy to PO item detail, all the PR item to copied with PO item detail. So here you can see once we have entered purchase requisition, all the items are loaded. Okay, so whatever the we have made the request of this purchase requisition, and now we can copy this PR item to PO. So it is automatically fetched by a system by two ways. Once you can click copy to PO purchase order item detail, or either you directly click on PO item detail. System will copy the same PO item details. Now here system has shown the error. Okay, PUAM CNR1. So here I will go to the CNR1 master, edit. Now PUOM, here I have to add PUOM, right? My numbers and click on save. Now here PO quantity and my numbers. Okay. Now system will see. Now system will show us once you convert PO item, you will not be allowed to change in these details. Want to continue? Yes. So now system what has done? System will make the copy of all purchase requisition items to PO item details. Now before moving ahead, I want to show the different functions available. I can say different facilities available or feature available in the ERP. Now here, let's take one raw material, that is ABCRM. So here you can check directly stock of all the material. Here you can check that whether any free stock available in my store. Okay, so you can see that there is no free stock available. So okay, you have to purchase it. Now suppose you are want to fetch latest rates, so you can able to also latest rate also. Now this is my purchase order. So suppose you have received a purchase order and rate is 10 rupees. Okay, so system will automatically count its rate. Now here I have to 5 rupees, or it is 5 rupees. Now I will show you one by one. Let's 2 rupees, 6 rupees, 8 rupees, 4 rupees, 8 rupees, 9 rupees, 3 rupees, 2 rupees, 7 rupees, 4 rupees, and again 5 rupees. So what we have done, system will fetch the all the item details in purchase order, and we have to put the rate. Now here also you can give the discount by at item level, and you can give discount at PO level also. Okay, so what happens if you give PO level discount, suppose percentage 10. Okay, click on enter. System will directly you can see now discount value is 2935. So what system has done, system has done deducted 10% of 29350. Now instead of PO level discount, you can give discount at item level also. Now if you go, now here also you can give the discount by value like 2 rupees. So system will count its rate is 3 rupees. Now here remark. Now also by for this you can check the stock also whether it is any free stock or reserve stock is available or not. Now which vendor code, I mean to whom, to which vendor you want to give order, that you can decide. Okay. Now you want to item delivery schedule. Now suppose you want to add any item delivery schedule for the this latest you know PO. You can set it to common. Set common delivery date. So let's take uh, 25th of July. So system will ask, do you want to copy common delivery date to all the items? So click on yes. So system will do PO delivery date and common delivery date, that is 25th of July for each item. Okay. Now tax and other charges. Click on F1. If you press your 18% GST will be applicable, right? And here also you can round off, that is 32. So your round off figure will be 34520. And by this way you can make a purchase order.